Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best laser grade control is probably one of the most innovative technologies in the construction industry, revolutionizing how we approach excavation and grading. This system utilizes laser technology to provide real-time positioning and elevation data, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and efficiency on the job site. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or new to the field, understanding the benefits of this technology can significantly improve your project outcomes and save you valuable time and resources. Number 5. Spectra Precision LL300N1 Rotary Laser Kit. This Spectra Precision LL300N1 is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its durable design protects it from drops, minimizing downtime on the job site. The LL300N features a hard hat, rotor protection and a rugged shell. It's engineered to survive drops onto concrete. This ensures it can handle the rigors of any construction site. The system self-levels within plus or minus 5 degrees and delivers high accuracy over a long working diameter. It ensures precise measurements for your projects, making your work more efficient. Designed for harsh environments, this product is IP66 rated for dust and water resistance. It also includes an out-of-level alert to shut off rotation if disturbed, providing reliable performance. The kit comes with everything you need, including the laser level, receiver, tripod, grade rod, batteries, and a carrying case. It's ready for immediate use, saving you time and effort. Spectra Precision has been a leader in precision measurement for over 5 decades. Professionals worldwide trust it for accuracy and durability, making it a reliable choice for any project. What we like. This kit is built to last, with a rugged design that can withstand tough job sites. It includes everything you need to get started right away, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a reliable and complete laser level kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The system is easy to set up and use. The machine control system is very accurate. The laser grade control system has improved the efficiency of grading operations. Number 4. Johnson 40-6791 Machine Mountable 360-degree Detector. This Johnson detector is designed to work with red beam rotary lasers. It quickly locates laser signals, even on large job sites or in bright light. This helps you find the laser beam when it's hard to see. The detector has a 360-degree range, maximizing its ability to find the laser. This feature allows it to pick up signals from all directions, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It's perfect for mounting on machinery, allowing for hands-free operation. The device can use 12 24-volt batteries or rechargeable batteries, providing flexibility on the job. The detector features bright LED lights and an LCD display for easy reading. It's ideal for use with heavy machinery like bulldozers and backhoes, making your work easier. The kit comes with everything you need, including clamps, magnets, a rechargeable battery pack, a charger, and a carrying case. This ensures that you have all the necessary tools to get started. What we like. This detector has a 360-degree range, making it easy to locate laser signals from any direction. It's designed for secure mounting on machinery, allowing for hands-free operation. If you're working with heavy machinery and need a reliable laser detector, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The laser receiver is easy to set up. The system is accurate and reliable. The grade control system is easy to use and understand. Number 3. Spectra Precision CR700 Laser Receiver. This receiver offers flexible installation. It supports both machine mounting and rod mounting, making it adaptable for various equipment and applications. It features a large digital display and multiple sensitivity modes. This allows users to adapt to different job site requirements, ensuring precise measurements. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it has an IP67 rating and is drop resistant. This ensures the device's durability and reliability on any job site. The device supports a long working radius and includes radio communication. It also features a vertical drift alarm, enhancing stability during operation. Spectra Precision has a long history of providing reliable tools. The company's commitment to accuracy and durability makes this product a trusted choice for professionals. What we like. This receiver offers versatile mounting options, allowing you to use it on both machines and grade rods. It provides a precise digital readout for accurate grading. If you need a durable and adaptable receiver for your excavation projects, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The HL700 is designed to be compatible with all red beam rotary laser levels, more or less. For the money, the Spectra Precision HL700 tops anything offered by Topcon. Works with my Topcon RL H4C red rotary laser perfectly. Number 2. Bosch GRL 2000-40 HVK Revolve 2000 Rotary Laser Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need. It comes with a laser receiver, tripod, grade rod, remote control, and a wall mount. Everything is packed in an all-in-one hard carrying case. The hard carrying case is designed to hold all the included accessories. This makes it easy to transport and store the laser and its components. It keeps everything organized and protected. This feature allows you to adjust the slope angle on both the X and Y axes. This gives you greater flexibility and control on the job. You can easily customize the angle to fit your specific needs. The electronic self-leveling feature makes setup quick and easy. This ensures accurate leveling without manual adjustments. It saves you time and effort on the job. The disturbance monitor alerts you if the tool's position changes. This helps maintain consistent leveling accuracy throughout your work. It ensures that your measurements remain precise. It delivers an impressive 1/16-inch accuracy at 100 feet. This level of precision ensures that your projects are completed to the highest standards. You can rely on it for accurate results. It provides a working range of up to 2,000 feet. This allows you to work over large areas with ease. This extended range increases your productivity. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including a receiver, tripod, and grade rod. It allows for manual dual slope adjustments, giving you more control over your grading. If you like the convenience of a complete kit with advanced features, consider this. What people say. Used it to put in a septic field that had to be with half an inch over a 43-foot length and it was spot on. Laser receiver makes the difference. This tool, it's amazing to get elevation levels. On big properties or simple dirt work or landscaping. The self-leveling, it's amazing. Easy to use for pros and beginners. Number 1. Topcon LS B10 Machine-Mounted Laser Receiver. This receiver boasts an impressive working range, ensuring you can work efficiently across a large area. It helps you get the job done without constantly repositioning your equipment. With 270-degree detection, it can pick up laser signals from almost any direction. This feature enhances the receiver's versatility and ease of use on the job site. Built to withstand the rigors of construction, this product is made to last. Its durable construction ensures it can handle tough conditions. The waterproof design protects it from the elements. This feature allows it to perform reliably, even in wet conditions. This is the Topcon LS B10 Machine-Mounted Laser Receiver. It is a reliable and durable tool for any construction project. It is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. What we like. This receiver offers a large working range, allowing you to work over a wide area. It has 270-degree detection, making it easy to pick up the laser signal. If you need a rugged and reliable machine-mounted laser receiver, this is a great option. What people say. The machine control system is very accurate. The system is easy to learn and use. The system has significantly improved the efficiency of our grading operations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.